Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I have a great ultimate green smoothie for you today. It's very tasty because it has guava and yogurt along with all the health benefit of a green smoothie. So stay tuned. So here we go. The ingredients you're going to need is everything that's green that you can grab from your refrigerator. Here I have mint, the spearmint leaf. You can leave the stem, but I don't like the stem, so I'm just going to drop a couple of those guys in there. And I'm making a very large portion. I'm not going to drink it all today. Normally I make about 3 portions and I save the other 2 portions for later on for tomorrow. So I drink one of these guys, one of this cup a day for my breakfast. So you will need ginger. The way that I peel ginger, you just take a vegetable peeler and take out the skin. I know my mom uses a spoon and scrape it out, but I like this method of peeling the skin for ginger better. It's much cleaner and so much easier than the Vietnamese way. So take that, put that in the trash. Just gonna help the mixer by cutting it 3 ways. And then I have a whole English cucumber that I'm using. I love cucumber. So drop that in the Vita mix here. And I have here is guava. That's the fruit that I'm using. I'm gonna take half. The other half, I will eat it as a snack later. Just, I don't like the end part, so throw that out. Again, just gonna help the food processor by cutting it. And then I want half of a lime, and the lime, I use lime in everything that I eat. Cook as well as drink, so why not even my cocktails. So half of a lime, and then spinach. So as you can see, probably about a cup of the spinach leaf, but I fill it up until it's full. And then what I do for sweetness is I add in about a cup of yogurt. This type of yogurt has maple syrup on there, and that's the sweetness that I need. So add in, the amount of yogurt you add in is up to you, but I love this kind of yogurt. It's delicious. So good. And just water for liquid. For the liquid, I'm just adding in water. That's pretty good. Everything in here. Else you want to add nuts, powder protein, whatever that you want, you can certainly add, but I like it just like this. So turn this guy on. Good. So here is our ultimate green smoothie. So I'm gonna set 2 portions aside. Get that out of the way. I will drink it for today. I made this before, so I love the taste. If this is the first time that you're making it, make sure you taste it first and that you're happy with the taste, and then adjust, add, remove. Well, you can't really remove, but add whatever that you need to. If it's not sweet enough, add an orange or a banana. That would be delicious as well. So here we go. Just the right balance of tanginess zinginess with the ginger, the tropical flavor of the guava. It's delicious, and the yogurt just balance out all the sourness and all the other flavor that go into the smoothie, and it's just smooth it out. So there you go. Cheers. So good, and keep the skin clear as well. So many benefits. So if I drink one of these guys in the morning and have a healthy lunch, then my dinner I'm free to have a glass of wine, cocktail, eat whatever I want, and just to maintain the weight. So here you go, my ultimate breakfast green smoothie. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you back here next time. Thanks again.